as it normally is, but let's do a couple of water pops and see how it looks. Okay, so we've just got like a little walnut log here, which should be pretty nice. It's about 4 foot long and about 2 foot in diameter, so nothing too big, but I'm hoping that it will give us some really nice slabs. So we obviously got this here, so there's going to be a whole bunch of grain sort of in here, I would imagine. And then obviously with that one there, we're going to get, like I say, that'll add to all this grain as well in here. And then there's probably going to be some grain in here where these two meet as well. So yeah, let's get a clamp down and yeah, let's get milling, eh? Let's see what we got. Let's have a look at the first cut. We got a little bit of punk here, bit of rot, and I expect it to be hugely nice just yet, just because we just literally did the skim cut. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's get a couple of slabs and see what they look like. Okay, so got 9 slabs out of that. Certainly got a bit of punk in here, as you can see. I'm guessing, I mean, this feels solid, but it obviously looked, I mean, it's punky here, but it's obviously not as it normally is. But let's do a couple of water pops and see how it looks. I mean, they still look pretty good. It's not the best walnut I've seen, sadly, but there's still lots of grain and lots of colour. Yeah. So yeah, like I say, it was a 24-inch round log, so I got 9 slabs out of it. And then that's a little bit of waste that I got there, so that's not too much waste at all. But yeah, there you go. I actually, yeah, no, it looks good. Looks good. I'll get them stacked up, get some stickers in between them and get them air drying, and we'll move on to the next log. Okay, thanks again for watching, really appreciate it. Yeah, hopefully I'll like I say, I'll get some more walnut, and we can see how that turns out. I got to get on with those maple, I will do, and then I also got a willow stump there as well, so I'm intrigued to see that, because I've never cut willow before, so we shall see what that holds. Anyway, this is it for today. Like I say, thanks again for watching, and yeah, we'll see you soon. Thanks, bye. Okay, and here it is all stacked up. Like I say, I got 9 slabs. Let me come out here a second. And then, so I've got like three stickers in, and then the 2 straps holding it down. So there it is, all stacked up. So plenty of airflow. It's out of the worst of the elements, being undercover, and yeah, that should dry nicely, and then it'll eventually go into the kiln once I let it air dry for a few months. All right, that's it.